So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that there are alternative lines right here. That is because this is an interlaced image right here. So what you can do is you can go around and fix this by utilizing the Deinterlace filter. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto filters, and then you can go around onto enhance and then go to Deinterlace. And as I do that, you can see that it goes around and closes the gap. So you can go around and see the before right here where there is a lot of gap right here, and you can go around and preview it out to close it out. So over here you can go around and keep the even fill or odd fill right here as you like. So I'm just going to go for even fill because that gives a better result. You can also go for vertical or horizontal effect right here. But right now you can see that it is horizontal. You can change around the block size right here as you can see to get the effect you want. So you can go around and decrease it, and you can see that that is what you have right here. So now you can see that you get the proper result if you go for 1 right here. 2 is okay as well, but 3 is not there. So now if I were to go for split view, then you can see the before and after right here. You can see this particular spot right here. You can see the before and after over here on how the deinterlacing effect actually works. So you can also go around, change around the opacity right here to see the before and after, but it doesn't really make sense to do so. So you can go around and press OK to apply it out. And this is how you can go around and deinterlace out the content. If I were to go around and deinterlace again, then it further fixes it out as you can see right here. So you can see that it's much more sharper right here, just like this. You want to fix it even further, then you can go around over here and try applying out the deinterlace again right here, just like this. Go to filter, enhance and deinterlace over here, and then it fixes the pixels out right here just like this and closes the gap further. So this is how you can go around and utilize the Deinterlace filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.